Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt a moment of uncertainty, a slight tremble in your legs that wasn't there before? Or have you found yourself choosing the elevator over the stairs, not out of convenience, but out of necessity? What if I told you that these small, seemingly insignificant moments are not just a normal part of getting older, but a critical warning sign? A quiet alarm bell that, if ignored, could lead to a future you never imagined. One of lost independence, dangerous falls, and a life confined by four walls. You see, the strength in your legs is a direct measure of your freedom. And for millions over 60, that freedom is silently slipping away. But here's the secret the aging industry doesn't want you to know. It is not inevitable. The weakness, the shakiness, the fatigue, they are often symptoms of reversible conditions. Stay with me, because in this video, we are going to uncover the 5 hidden enemies draining the power from your legs, and more importantly, reveal the simple, life-changing steps you can take, starting today, to fight back and reclaim the strong, confident stride you deserve. This is a conversation you can't afford to miss. Chapter 1, The Silent Thief of Strength, Muscle Loss. Our first culprit is a condition that sounds complicated, but is startlingly simple. Sarcopenia. Think of it as the silent thief of strength. This process of natural muscle shrinkage begins subtly in our 30s. But once we cross the 60-year threshold, it hits the accelerator. Without a conscious effort to stop it, you could be facing a staggering 30% loss of your total muscle mass by the time you reach your 80s. This isn't just about not being able to lift heavy things, it's about the very foundation of your mobility crumbling beneath you. Everyday movements that you once took for granted, like getting out of a car, walking through a grocery store, or even just standing for a few minutes to talk to a neighbor, can suddenly feel like monumental tasks. The signs are often dismissed as simple aging. Your thighs and calves may appear thinner, your legs might feel unnaturally heavy, and a short, pleasant walk can leave you feeling completely exhausted. But here is the empowering truth. You can absolutely fight back. Rebuilding your foundation starts with simple strength exercises that can be done from the comfort of your home. Think chair squats, where you mimic the act of sitting and standing to reactivate those large leg muscles, or gentle leg lifts while seated. Your diet is your other secret weapon. Protein is the essential building block for muscle repair, so consciously increasing your intake of lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, and plant-based powerhouses like nuts and legumes is crucial. And never underestimate the power of simple movement. A dedicated 15-minute walk each day does more than just get you from point A to B. It sends a clear signal to your leg muscles that they are needed, keeping them engaged, active, and strong. Chapter 2. When your legs are starved for blood flow, poor circulation. Do your legs ever feel strangely cold to the touch, even under a blanket? Do you experience a frustrating numbness or tingling, or a painful cramping in your calves that forces you to stop and rest while walking? These are telltale signs that your legs might be starving for what they need most: a healthy supply of oxygen-rich blood. This is often caused by a condition known as peripheral artery disease, or PAD, where plaque gradually builds up in the arteries, narrowing the passageway for blood flow. When your leg muscles don't receive enough blood, they can't function properly, leading to that profound sense of weakness, fatigue, and pain. It can feel like your legs are constantly heavy, or that they fall asleep after just a short time standing. The danger goes beyond discomfort. Poor circulation can dramatically slow the healing of minor cuts or sores, paving the way for serious infections. The good news is that you can become an active participant in improving your circulation. The single most effective tool is daily walking. Even if it's just a few laps around your living room, the act of moving your legs helps stimulate blood flow. Hydration is equally vital. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain your blood volume, while reducing your salt intake can prevent the kind of swelling that further restricts circulation. Simple at-home therapies like a warm foot soak, a gentle leg massage, or elevating your legs on a pillow for 20 minutes a day can provide immense relief. However, if these symptoms persist, it is critical to speak with a doctor, as untreated PAD can be a serious risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Chapter 3: The Fading Connection, Nerve Damage. Imagine trying to walk on a pair of sponges where you can't quite feel the ground beneath you, or picture a constant irritating sensation of pins and needles, or even a burning feeling in your feet and legs that doesn't go away. These strange and unsettling sensations are often symptoms of nerve damage, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. It's surprisingly common, affecting nearly 1/3 of all seniors. The nerves in your legs act like communication cables, sending messages from your brain to your muscles. When these cables are damaged, the signals get scrambled, leading to weakness, numbness, and a dangerous loss of balance. Two of the most common causes are diabetes, where high blood sugar levels slowly poison the nerves over time, and a deficiency in essential vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is fundamental for nerve health. The longer these issues go unaddressed, the more severe the damage can become, drastically increasing your risk of falls. Protecting your nerves starts with awareness. If you have diabetes, diligent monitoring of your blood sugar is your first line of defense. Nutritionally, ensure your diet is rich in vitamin B12, which can be found in eggs, dairy products, and leafy greens. It's also wise to avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it can be toxic to your nerves and worsen existing damage. Gentle, mindful practices like daily leg and foot massages can help stimulate the nerves and reduce discomfort, reawakening that crucial connection between your brain and your feet. If you are experiencing any persistent numbness or tingling, please don't dismiss it. A conversation with your doctor can lead to proper testing and a treatment plan to protect your mobility. Chapter 4: The Hidden Pressure Point, Your Spine's Crucial Role. It may surprise you to learn that the root cause of your leg weakness might not be in your legs at all, but much higher up in your lower back. Your spine is the central highway for the nerves that control every movement in your legs. When there's a problem on this highway, like a traffic jam, the messages can't get through effectively. Conditions like a herniated disc, where one of the soft cushions between your vertebrae bulges out, or spinal stenosis, a narrowing of the spinal canal, can put direct pressure on these vital nerves. Even years of poor posture can contribute to this pinching effect. The result can manifest as debilitating weakness in one or both legs, a sharp radiating pain that travels from your back down your leg, often called sciatica, or a frightening sensation that your leg might suddenly give out from under you. You might notice that one leg feels significantly weaker than the other, or experience a persistent numbness in your feet. To keep your legs strong, you must first support your spine. Simple, gentle back stretches, like pulling one knee to your chest while lying down or performing a seated spinal twist, can help alleviate pressure. One of the biggest enemies of spinal health is prolonged sitting, which compresses the discs in your lower back. If your lifestyle involves a lot of sitting, make a conscious rule to get up and move around for a few minutes every half hour. Using a lumbar support cushion can also work wonders. Remember, a healthy, aligned spine is the command center for strong, stable legs. Chapter 5: The Spark Plugs of Your Muscles, an Electrolyte Imbalance. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden excruciating leg cramp? Or do you experience moments where your legs feel inexplicably shaky and weak, completely out of the blue? This alarming instability can often be traced back to an invisible cause, an imbalance of key minerals known as electrolytes. Specifically, we're talking about magnesium and potassium. Think of these minerals as the spark plugs for your muscles. Without them, your muscles simply can't fire or contract properly. Low levels of potassium can lead directly to muscle spasms, profound weakness, and can even affect your heartbeat. A deficiency in magnesium, on the other hand, can cause frustrating muscle twitching, chronic fatigue, and even feelings of anxiety. This imbalance is incredibly common and often happens for simple reasons, such as not drinking enough water, taking certain medications like diuretics, or simply not consuming enough mineral-rich foods. The solution thankfully lies on your plate and in your glass. To restore this crucial balance, focus on increasing your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados. For a magnesium boost, turn to almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and beans. Above all, prioritize hydration. as being even slightly dehydrated can make these deficiencies significantly worse. For those who suffer from frequent leg cramps, a warm Epsom salt bath before bed can be a game changer. The magnesium in the salts is absorbed through your skin, helping to directly relax your muscles and prevent those painful nighttime cramps. Conclusion: take action and reclaim your strength. As we've discovered, the weakness creeping into your legs is not a life sentence, it's a signal. It's your body asking for attention. Whether the culprit is muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or a simple mineral imbalance, the power to change course is firmly in your hands. You don't have to accept a future of diminishing mobility. You can start rebuilding your strength and confidence today with small, manageable steps. Begin by incorporating just 5 to 10 minutes of simple exercises into your daily routine. Make a conscious choice to add more protein and nutrient-rich foods to your meals. Keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated and help your muscles function at their best. Pay attention to your posture and give your spine the support it needs. And finally, embrace the simple, powerful act of walking every single day to boost circulation and keep your legs engaged. Don't wait for a fall or a scare to make a change. Your independence and your future are too important. Reason 2. Spinal problems and the hidden trap of pinched nerves. You might not immediately connect leg weakness to your lower back, but your spine plays a massive, often underestimated role in the strength of your lower body. Conditions like sciatica, a herniated disc, or even long-term poor posture can compress or pinch the major nerves that run through your spinal column and down into your legs. When this happens, those nerves stop sending strong, clear power signals to your leg muscles, causing a radiating pain that shoots from your lower back, sudden collapses, or a chronic feeling of weakness in one or both legs. Common signs of spinal-related leg weakness include pain that travels down the back of your leg, numbness that settles in your feet, or a distinct feeling that one leg is noticeably less strong than the other. If this rings true for you, immediate attention to your posture is essential. Try gentle, daily back stretches, such as the knee-to-chest stretch or seated spinal twists, to decompress the area. Critically, you must avoid sitting for long, uninterrupted periods, as this puts immense pressure on the lumbar spine. If your job or lifestyle demands extended sitting, invest in a quality lumbar support cushion and, most importantly, set an alarm to get up and actively move your body every 30 minutes. Keeping your spinal alignment healthy is a non-negotiable step for maintaining strong, reliable legs. Reason 1, the invisible drain, electrolyte imbalance and mineral deficiency. The number 1 and most frequently overlooked reason your legs are suddenly weak or prone to debilitating spasms is an invisible drain on your body's essential minerals. Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden, intense leg cramp in the middle of the night, or felt an inexplicable shakiness or weakness seemingly out of nowhere? This is often the direct result of a lack of key electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which are the fundamental elements responsible for your muscles' ability to properly contract and relax. Low levels of potassium are notorious for causing painful muscle spasms, overall weakness, and even affecting your heart rhythm, while a deficiency in magnesium can lead to twitching, persistent fatigue, and increased anxiety. This common imbalance is frequently caused by simple dehydration, certain medications like diuretics, or simply a diet that is lacking in mineral-rich whole foods. To quickly restore balance and stop those debilitating cramps in their tracks, you need to boost your mineral intake immediately. Focus on potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados, and stock up on magnesium sources such as almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and beans. Additionally, double down on your water intake, as dehydration dramatically worsens these deficiencies. For a fast-acting relief, try a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium in the salts is absorbed through your skin, helping to relax your muscles and prevent nighttime cramping. Take control, your final call to action. Weak legs are not merely a nuisance or a natural part of getting older, they are a critical warning sign that your body is begging for attention. Whether the root cause is silent muscle loss, compromised circulation, damaged nerves, a pinched spinal column, or a simple mineral imbalance. The great news is that simple, natural solutions are well within your reach to regain your full strength and independence. Do not delay your safety and freedom for another day. Start today by exercising daily. Even 5 minutes of movement makes a massive cumulative difference. Prioritize protein and nutrient-rich foods to actively rebuild lost muscle mass. Increase your water intake and balance your minerals to prevent weakness and cramping. Be mindful of your posture and protect your spinal health to ensure clear nerve communication, and walk every day to improve your circulation and stave off leg fatigue. Your future mobility depends on the action you take right now. Don't wait until a fall changes your life forever. If you found this essential breakdown helpful, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more vital health insights, and sharing this with someone you care about who needs stronger, healthier legs. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 reasons surprised you the most.